Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook veal pork rib stew. Try to cook this in winter. I promise you will fall in love with it. So now let's start. We first need to use the pan to boil some water. Put the pork ribs into the pan while the water is still cold. Cut some ginger. Prepare some scallions. Put the scallion and ginger into the pan. Remember not to use up all the gingers now, because we still need some later. Add 2 spoons of cooking wine. Now wait until the water boils. In the meantime, we can prepare some vegetables. We need to cut 1 carrot. Also 1 corn. Now it boils, we can get the pork ribs out from the pan. Prepare a pot and add some cooking oil to it. Add some crystal sugar. Keep on stirring until the sugar melts. Add the pork ribs. Stir fry until they are wrapped with the sugar. Now add the rest of the ginger, the corn and the carrot. For the seasoning, we need 1 spoon of soy sauce, 2 spoons of dark soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of salt, 2 star anise, 1 cinnamon, and some dried chilies. Add 1 can of beer and some water. Mix well. Cover it and use a small fire to cook for 1 hour. In the end, chop some scallion and add onto the top. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you soon.